Previously on Family Guy.
Oh, are they? They're doing the previously thing. Do it again.
Neighbor Jeff.
Thousands of tears later. Just then, by sheer coincidence,
Once upon a time, head priest of the White Lotus clan, Pai Mei, was walking down a road.
I have children of my own. I understand your pain.
Actually, I'd like to get back to the matter of my employment.
Black Bolt could destroy you with one whisper from his mouth.
Indeed.
So began the massacre of the Shaolin Temple.
Close your mouth, please. We are still not a codfish.
Find the fun and snap.
Get the hell out of my
I could do this all day.
Really? How incredibly rude.
Only to find Pai Mei was inconsolable.
Right, that's enough.
Before you go, there's something I want you to have.
Oh, it's beautiful. But wait a minute. Isn't this?
Oh, yes. Yes, it is.
But I thought the old lady dropped it in the ocean in the end.
Well, baby, I went down and got it for you. Oops, I did it again to your heart. Got lost in this game, oh baby. Oops, you think that I'm sent from above. I'm not that innocent. Oops, I did it again. I played with your heart. Got lost in the game.
What an impertinent thing to say. Me putting ideas into people's heads? Really?